How to edit comment on Instagram. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. Now launch it. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the post where you want to edit the comment. Firstly, I'm gonna comment on this post. So I'm gonna post this comment. I just commented on this post. Now how to edit it? For that, you will need to swipe to the left. You will get two icons, arrow icon and delete icon. Clicking on this arrow icon, you will be able to reply to the comment, and clicking on this delete icon, the comment will be deleted. Because at the moment, there is no such option within Instagram to edit the comment. If you want to make any changes to the comment, you have to delete it in this way. And again, you can make a new comment and then post it. Well, this is the only way to edit comment on Instagram right now. But if in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.